a truck upside down over there that came off of the other side of the overpass there and jumped across. Yes, he did. Yeah, the cops, the guns are out, and yeah, I mean they've got them wrapped up. Got something going on up here in the sky. There's some airplanes and helicopters, and they're really close together. Haven't figured out what this is yet. They're getting ready to fly over. They'll fly over my head. I can see them right there.
I think there's a lot of things going on. I was just reading a story about Walmart and the promotion logo. Well, no, that's just how they put up a display in the city. Yeah, they put up a Coca-Cola. The 2 towers. Yeah, 2 towers. Is that doing disrespect? I don't know. That one, well, if you feel like it, if you that one's a little more gray than this one. Yeah. I mean, this men are calling them under. Lightning keeps striking right here where we're at. I was in there talking to that guy. It struck about twice and it sounded like it was on top of us. There's a guy in that diesel truck right there from Lincoln, and you can see he's got those pipes up there and he's driving like a maniac. He'll probably squall tires when he pulls off. Let's see.
He pulled out of that school acting like a fool. Rhyme every time, friends. Now that I've got the camera on him, he's gonna drive like he's got sense. Friends, this is the streets of Indian Lake in Hendersonville. It's a place where you can see there's some parking spaces inside, but mostly there's parking spaces outside. You walk in. Nice movie theater here. That's Sopapillas. That's a Mexican restaurant. It's all kinds of places to shop. Just a real nice place. Brick's Pizza over to the right of the movie theater. I love to eat there. And I'm going to fly the drone here. I'm going to fly it around. I'm going to also fly those new apartments that are behind, and then the new hotel that's going up, all in Hendersonville. So just enjoy the time. I'll play a little background music, and then we're done for today. Thanks for watching. Tighten up.